Right now, I'm in the biggest and perhaps the most unusual gift box. Yes, okay, at the moment, it doesn't look like a gift box, but soon we will give it that appearance. Let me briefly explain the essence of this video. On my Facebook page, I posted, guys, I'm looking for people who have their birthday on the 3rd of March. I found those lucky ones whose birthdays are today, and today I will be giving them gifts. But you will soon find out how these gifts will be given. Now, let's get to preparing this gift. Since today is the birthday of these guys, we decided to give them a present. We'll hide those wonderful gifts in safes. In one safe, there will be $100, in another $200, and in the third, $500. Each of the safes will be locked. They need to find a set of keys, which will also be inside a box. How to open it? Well, the guys will decide for themselves. The entire box will be wrapped in tape. In general, the ball will look something like this. The keys are somewhere deep under the tape. All of this tape will have to be unwound without a knife. Yes, it's tough, but it's worth it. We place the ball in the box and we lock it, just like this. Then we put the lock's key in this box. And obviously, you'll need to find it to open the lock. Now, I know what you're thinking. This box will be very easy to search, right? Well, therefore, we'll fill it all with sand. Now, you're gonna rummage around, searching for this little key. Found it. It's all so easy. Therefore, we're going to fill the cube with water. We will fill the box with water almost completely, and the guys won't be allowed to search for the key until they bail out all of the water using these buckets and other improvised items. But of course, before they start doing that, they need to complete another task. Bottles will be attached to this platform. And what do we do with all these bottles? Well, it's obvious. You need to take the bottle and remove the string. And only then can the participant perform the water bottle flip challenge. And only after placing all 30 bottles, only then can they move on to the water cube. And even this isn't all the suffering for these guys. Before that, before they start the flip challenge, they will need to find the box among the boxes. All of these boxes are dummies, except for one, and they need to find that box. Okay, we found it. It still needs to be extracted. In this box is a clue, devil. When they pronounce this clue, well then they will be helped to raise this construction to move on to the next stage. Well, that's all the suffering for the guys, it seems. So let's go ahead and pack our gift. The guys have already arrived and are standing at the door. I'm very curious about what they expect or have in mind. What do they think they've come here for? So let's ask them this question. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What do you think is going to happen today?
A challenge.
No guesses, no thoughts.
But there must be something.
Just a celebration.
It'll be a challenge again.
What kind of challenge?
Last time there were boxes, doors, no windows.
No windows? Okay.
Yeah, breaking glass is way more fun.
What is in front of you now?
Boxes.
Okay, what kind of boxes?
Wooden.
And if you go around them, what does it look like?
A safe.
A safe.
Uh-huh, good. Now, what do you think we'll be doing today?
Cracking the locks on the safe.
Searching for keys.
You were all almost right, but in your own way. Now look at this thing here. What is it? What do you think?
A screen.
A screen. If you're saying it's a screen, what do you think is behind the screen?
Many small boxes back there.
Something is there.
Unveil the gift. I mean, the screen. Boxes again.
Some kind of big glued boxes. Lots of glue.
There's a catch here. So you can't open anything yet, and you can't look inside either.
Okay.
In general, there will be a competition now.
What kind?
Whoever manages to progress along this path first will have the opportunity to open the safe. Let's begin. One of the guys dropped the box, and he'll have to retrieve it.
Got it.
Okay, one got it. Lex, put down the camera. You need to help the guys. 1, 2, 3. Go on, Stefan. Go and take it.
Why?
Well, go on. Go. Now you need to detach the bottles from the strings. There shouldn't be any string at all. Not even a little bit.
Oh,
Hold on, hold on. First bottle. No. And it didn't land. How come?
Oh.
You can do it. You can do it. Well done.
why did you tie the knot like that?
Oh! Have you ever done a flip challenge before?
Just for fun.
So this is like your first time. but how did you manage that?
What kind of magic was that?
Well, for now, all the guys are moving along step by step. Each one has about 7 to 8 bottles left. Initially, everybody was untying them for a very long time, but now it seems like everyone's gotten used to it.
Oh!
Yes,
Ta-da.
they've simultaneously moved on to the next stage. Guys, help them clean up. Now, all the water in this container needs to be poured into this barrel. Absolutely all of it. All of the water. Be careful. Somewhere in there is the key. Maybe you can scoop it up and pour it here. It'll take some searching.
Oh! Whoa!
Alex has already completed filling the barrel, and now he can start searching for the key. Our guys have nothing to do. Guys, I sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video. At least for now, it's turning out to be really cool. Well, naturally, if you actually like this video, know that we've put a lot of effort, money, and most importantly, soul into it. Therefore, we'd like to get from you a subscription and a like in return. If you're watching the video on a computer, you just need to hover over this text. It's M, and the subscribe button will pop up. But if you're watching on a phone, turn the phone vertically, and you'll be able to see the subscribe again. The more subscriptions we get, the more crazy ideas and motivation we'll have to make more videos. But now let's move on. We now have a second participant who has emptied his cube. You can start looking for the key.
We're pouring some water.
All right. The key.
Found it! The second participant found the key.
Go, go, go.
Vlad is very close. Things aren't looking great for Ilya, and for Alex, he's having a tough time. His ball has hardly changed at all. And that's all. Inside were the keys, and now you need to choose the safe. Hurry up and go! Let's go! One of these keys fits this safe. One of these keys fits that safe. One of these keys fits the other safe. Now remember, you can only take the contents of one safe. If you decide you don't like the contents of the safe, you can close it and start opening the next one. None of them worked?
None.
Well, let's try again. Did it work? So, what's in there? Nothing?
Enough. But I'll think about
You
it.
think so? Once you pass this safe, you can't go back to it. So think. Move on to the next one or take this one.
Let's try the next one.
Well, what if you've made a mistake?
Well,
One safe might be completely empty. What's in there? Are you picking this safe?
yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Absolutely sure.
Absolutely.
Count how much, but don't tell the other guys.
500.
One of the participants finished opening the safes, so now we close this safe. And we mix all the safes. And the second participant has finished removing the tape. Now you need to get the keys.
Right now.
Technically, there's still time left.
All of the keys have scattered. You've only made the task harder for yourself.
It's okay.
Find all the keys. What if you lose them now? What if I just take one of them?
I'll count them. Some keys are strange. Something. What's that log sprout? Apex. Checking by log sprout. Well, here it is. Checks. Oh, it opened up.
What's in there?
The Cheska said there's money here. There's money here. Greedy ruined the sucker. Let's go in the middle one.
Now you understand you won't be able to return to it later. But risk-taking is noble.
My finger. Exactly, my hunch is on this one.
All right, lock it.
And here's the same thing.
But it's not the same.
$10.
$10? Actually.
$100.
Really?
Yeah.
5 bills? Show me.
I'm good at math for now.
You messed up.
Oh, I know that.
It was $200 in there.
Yeah. Can't lift
I
it.
gotta...
What do you suggest doing? Are you gonna keep hiding until the end? Let's do this. We give you the option not to open it completely, but you'll have only 2 tries to find the right safe. There are 3 safes in total. What do you choose, to open it completely or 2 attempts?
Let's go with 2 attempts.
Let's do it. Close your eyes. I'm shuffling the safes.
Prediction. How much will you win?
0.
0? You're not that confident in yourself, are you?
Yeah.
No, it can't be like that. What's up?
My
Come
legs
on.
are shaking. I'm tired of sitting.
Come on, Alex.
It's Fort Boyard.
As you can see, there are safes in front of you. You have 2 attempts to choose the right one. You have a bunch of keys. If you open one, you have a chance to open another safe. Honestly, are you nervous?
Nah.
Okay. Did you open the safe? Well, it's an exciting moment. Is there any money or no money? Come on, let's take a look. Open it. There's money in there! Woo! Yeah! You've won $200!
I'm very happy.
You slacker! You didn't want to open the tape!
Oh, I'm very happy. Well, very excited.
Well, it's obvious from you. I'm very happy.
I'm feeling all shaky.
Did you feel real emotions?
Yeah, I want to say a big thanks to Max for inviting me.
You could say it was me. Right here. I'm
Thanks.
here.
Oh,
How much did you enjoy it? What are you feeling?
delight. And at the same time, despair because I couldn't really open the box, but still, I'm happy. Very happy.
Well, guys,
How did he know it's my
I congratulate you on your birthday. I don't know which cake you like more.
Oh, chocolate. The best one.
If anything, now you have
Thanks,
money
dude.
to buy another cake if you don't like it.
Thank you.
All right, I hope you enjoyed today's challenge. And I really hope that you enjoyed your birthday today. And I hope that you will spend the money wisely. It's important.
The guys turned 18. Where do you think
Oh,
they will
yeah.
spend it?
Well, anyway, I know that you like the cake more than, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And with that, the video comes to an end. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye
Happy birthday
to everyone. Goodbye. You nearly
How about
broke my
that?
nose.
How did you like that, dude?